Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to KuCoin. For that, you need to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you will have to tap on Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to tap on Withdraw and afterwards you will be able to see a bunch of different cryptos that you can transfer. So as you want to transfer USDT, you need to use the search bar in the top and you simply need to type USDT. Then select USDT, then you will be landed on this withdrawal page. Now over here, it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So we need to get this address from KuCoin. For that, you will have to launch your KuCoin mobile application. And then you just have to log into your account. Now over here, you will be able to see the deposit option. So you need to tap on deposit. After that, among the given cryptos, you will have to tap on USDT. Then you will be asked to select the network. So you will have to select any of the networks as you want, like BEP20 or TRC20. So after selecting the network, it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that address from here and you need to come back to Bybit and you simply need to paste that address in this section. Then you will have to select the network that you have selected in KuCoin. For example, in KuCoin, you have selected TRC20 network. So you need to make sure that you selected the same network in Bybit as well. Then in the amount section, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. And after that, you need to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal and this way you will be able to easily transfer your USDT from Bybit to KuCoin. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.